For as low as 5,000 pesos, pwede kang kumita ng mas malaking interest versus your savings account. Kung meron kang extra cash sa bangko na sure kang hindi gagalawin for a while, consider placing it into time deposit instead of savings account lang. Why? Dahil mas mataas ang interest na makukuha mo dito. But here's the catch. Hindi mo pwedeng i-withdraw yung pera mo for a fixed period. Depende sa pipiliin mo, from 30 days to up to a year. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process kung paano mag-apply to RCBC's time deposit. So, paano mag-apply? The best part is hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa branch. Gagawin natin siya directly sa phone. Pagka-login niyo sa RCBC Pulz App, in your dashboard, swipe and click time deposits. Since first time natin mag-apply for a time deposit, ito yung lalabas. Click link my time deposits. Apply time deposit, invest now. Next, select kung saang account manggaling yung i-deposit nyo. Then, input the amount you want to put in. Ang minimum is 5,000 pesos and maximum is 10 million. Tapos, select your investment term from 30 days up to 360 days. Take note, ibig sabihin nito naka-lock yung pera mo at hindi mo siya magagalaw for that specific term. Then, set maturity instructions. May tatlong options dito. First is roll over both. Ibig sabihin, kapag tapos na yung term, i-roll over or i-invest ulit yung buong pera mo. Meaning, yung original deposit mo plus yung kinita niyang interest. Perfect ito kung gusto mong palakihin yung pera mo without doing anything. Take note lang na hindi nyo ma-withdraw ito without penalty kung before the maturity date. Unless baguhin nyo yung instruction. So for example, nag-invest ka ng 5,000 pesos for 360 days. Kung ang interest rate ay 4% annually, by the end of the year, ang makukuha mo is 5,200 pesos. Mag-auto-renew yung time deposit mo for the next year. Pero ang principal mo ngayon ay 5,200 pesos na, hindi lang 5,000. So, assuming 4% rate ulit ang interest for the next year, 5,408 na ang makukuha mo by the end of year 2. Next is payout interest and rollover principal. Dito, yung kinita ng pera mo, which is yung interest, ay mapupunta sa savings account mo. Which means, pwede mo siyang gastusin. Pero yung original deposit mo or yung principal will remain on your time deposit account. Naka-lock in ulit ito for the next term and kikita ulit ng interest. For example, nag-invest ka ng 5,000 pesos for 360 days and assuming na 4% ang interest annually, by the end of that year, yung 200 pesos mapupunta sa savings account mo. And the 5,000 pesos will remain on your time deposit account. By the end of year 2, assuming 4% pa rin ang interest annually, ang makukuha mo by the end of the year is 5,200. Lastly is payout principal and interest. Yung original na pera mo at yung kinita niya ay babalik sa savings account mo after the term. Wala nang maiiwan sa time deposit account. So, given the same scenario, nag-invest ka ng 5,000 pesos, kumita ng 200 pesos at the end of the year, after that year, yung buong 5,200 pesos ang mapupunta sa savings account mo. Kung maisipan mong mag-invest ulit, pwede nyo ito gawing manually. Magandang option ito kung tingin mong kakailanganin mo yung pera after ng maturity. Take note, kapag nag-roll over yung account nyo, same term pa din yun. So, kung 360 days ang original na pinili nyo, 360 days ulit ang renewal. Pero, keep in mind that ang interest rate na masusunod ay kung ano yung current interest rate upon renewal. Personally, for this transaction, ang pinili ko ay yung second option. Click continue. You'll see a summary of your transaction at kung magkano ang total na makukuha mo based on the interest. Take note na ang interest rate ay annually. So for example, nag-deposit ka ng 5,000 pesos, pero 30 days lang ang term mo. 30 days lang ng annual interest ang makukuha mo. Ganito ang easiest way to compute that. Yung 5,000 pesos mo, imumultiply natin sa 4%. Ibig sabihin, kikita ka dapat ng 200 pesos for 1 whole year. Dahil 1 month lang ang term mo, i-divide natin yung 200 pesos sa 12 months. 200 divided by 12 is 16.67 pesos. So, ang total na makukuha mo ay 5,016.67 pesos pagkatapos ng 30 days. Makikita mo din dito kung kailan ang maturity date. Now, slide to confirm. And there you go. If you go back to home, makikita na dito yung time deposit nyo. If you go to time deposits, view board rates, dito nyo makikita yung mga current interest rates. Depende sa amount na i-deposit nyo. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!